Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you another popular glow transition effect. Many of you asked for an easy way to do this in After Effects, so let's jump right in. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First create a new adjustment layer. Move 15 frames forward and trim the end so the layer is exactly 15 frames long. Now go to the cut point between your two clips. Move 5 frames back and drag your adjustment layer to that position. This ensures the first 5 frames are before the cut and the remaining 10 frames are after it. Now move 5 frames forward back to the center of your two clips and start applying the effects. First add exposure, next apply a glow effect. I'm using the Deep Glow plugin, but if you don't have it, the built-in glow effect in After Effects works just fine too. After that, apply CC Radial Fast Blur. And finally, add the optics compensation effect. Now let's start adjusting the settings for each effect. First make sure your playhead is exactly at the center of your two clips, as we'll be adding keyframes there. Under optics compensation, enable reverse lens distortion and set the field of view to 55. Click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. Next under CC Radial Fast Blur, change the zoom type to brightest and click the amount stopwatch to add another keyframe. For the deep glow effect, you can leave the default settings and simply click the exposure stopwatch to add a keyframe. Finally, set the main exposure to 1.35 and click the stopwatch icon to add your last keyframe. Now press U on your keyboard to reveal all of the keyframes you just created. Move your playhead to the beginning of the adjustment layer and change all of the values to 0. Next copy those 0 value keyframes and paste them at the very end of the layer. Let's preview the result. It looks good, but we can make it even better by smoothing out the transition in the graph editor. Select all your keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Now open the graph editor, right-click, and select Edit Speed Graph. Create a smooth curve similar to the one on my screen. Once that's done, let's preview the transition one more time. To make the effect feel complete, I'll add a shake effect from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the pack from the link in the description below, and you can also check out my shake tutorials on the channel. Let's quickly preview the final result, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.